Hi, I'm Wade Wilson.
And I'm Betsy Wilson.
And we hired the McQueen Building Company to help us with our family room. We heard about the McQueens through word of mouth. Ultimately, when we met with the McQueens and the dynamic duo that's Jeff and Chris, when we got them in the house and they had ideas and they were just riffing, I think Betsy and I both looked at each other and was like, this is a great fit.
Yeah, I had a really great time working with Christine with the design part of it. She was really communicative. We collaborated on a Pinterest board, which I really enjoyed. It was really great to be able to bounce ideas off of each other that way. So it was just a really, really good fit.
Not only were the McQueens professional and courteous, their entire staff was incredibly friendly. They were very talkative. We walked through different things. I had questions. They were patient with me. But one of the other things that I noticed, and I've had other contractors over the years doing different things, is how clean they were. Everything here was spotless when they would leave the job. So they had it almost finished by the time we got back from our vacation. But ultimately, when they had to come in and do some touch-up work, there was never anything in the way. There was never anything. It was all cleaned up as if they were never here. I was very appreciative of that.
We would absolutely recommend working with the McQueens. We really enjoyed the process. We are thrilled with the final product. We have so much functionality now that we didn't have 4 months ago. As far as being able to keep an eye on the kiddos, we love the fireplace. I love the extra storage. We have games and blankets and all the cozy family room kind of things that you would want right on hand. It's really just been wonderful from start to finish.
I would recommend them also. We have, in fact, recommended them also to multiple people. In fact, our neighbors across the way have used the McQueens as well and are, I think, just about finishing their project. So we will, and we'll continue to do so.